Hello everyone, welcome to channel. This is Ganesh Ratha in Mahabalipuram. This is monolithic temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, built during the Pallava kings around 672 to 700 7th century by King Parameswaram. The temple is rectangular in shape with two stories, even though it's a Shiva temple. There is a Ganesh ideal inside the shrine. People call it Ganesh Ratha. Dravidian architecture carved from a single rock. UNESCO World Heritage. Please like and share, subscribe.